What's up, gays? It's Friday here on THU, and there's no natural light left in the world. Since it is wintertime in the state of Washington, it'll be a perma shade of gray for the next 2 months. Nobody will see the sun. Everybody will be diagnosed with seasonal affect disorder, and vampires will be free to roam the earth.
TheHomoUniversity.
So this week we're making online dating videos. Here's a fun fact. I have an OkCupid account. I'm lonely, okay? I don't ever check it. That's a lie. I mean, I do check it, but only when, like, I have messages or something, and then half the time it's people I don't want to talk to or even get to know. So, it's nothing. Nobody's on there. Nobody's interesting. Nobody... What happened to good conversation? Let's try and sell myself. 1. I am good at half-assing housewife duties. Prime example, here is a giant load of clean laundry. It is clean, I promise. It sits there because I don't want to pick it up and put it on my hangers. So there's that. I can't cook. I will draw you a picture in the style of Titanic. Yeah, I really want to do that. I like polar bears. I wish I could have every polar bear in the world. I'm sorry, I'm just thinking about polar bears again. I just wish I could pet them all. I'm a Gemini, so you better get ready for my multiple personalities. I like tall, dark, and handsome men. I don't know. But I do like some gingers. I need an Irish Jew. I need, well, a redheaded Jew. I like accents. So that's why I want an Irishman. Just have big nose. Why am I talking about myself? You need to be funny. Because I'm hilarious. Let's be real here. You need to be funny to keep up with me. You need to enjoy, if not have, body modifications. You have to enjoy drinking a large glass of milk in the middle of the night. You have to like Christmas songs all through the winter time, and that's saying like the day after Halloween. What am I saying? You know what? Anybody who will show me attention, basically, who is cute and sweet and loving and not out to get a quick lay, can hold my eye, basically. Be long-term relationship oriented. Is that the right word, structure, sentence? I don't know. I'm good at typing out myself. I've never made a video. Oops. But like, this isn't even real. Why am I taking this so seriously? Maybe because I'm really alone. God, I'm desperate. Hold on. Somebody love me. I hope y'all have a great Friday and a great weekend, and I will see you next week. Bye!